Hello YouTube. Today we're going to unbox the new Supremo 4K. This is the new version of Supremo, which is the 4K, and this is 5 times better. It has the authentic 16 megapixel Sony IMX sensor with real 4K, exclusive Supremo app with editing features, faster processor versus Supremo 1, and integrated gyroscope, 7-layer glass lens. So as you can see, this is the packaging of the Supremo 4K. You have a plastic case on top so that you can see the Supremo, and here is the specification. So for the lens, it has a 170 degrees 7G8 plus fisheye super wide angle lens. For the screen, it has a 2 inches LCD screen with 960 by 240 resolution. The video is 4K at 24 fps, 27K at 30 fps, and 1080 at 60 fps video quality. For the photo, it has a 16 megapixels, 20 megapixels interpolated, 14 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 10, 8 megapixels, and 5 megapixels JPEG. For the battery, there is it has a 1000 mAh lithium battery, and for the waterproof, it has a waterproof at maximum of 30 meters deep. So for the port, it has a HDMI mini type D and a USB 2.0 ports. For the memory card, it can go from 4 gig to 32 gig micro SDHC class 10. For the diving mode, the red light for compensation function in diving mode. So at the back of the packaging, you can see the photos and photos that was taken using Supremo. So without further ado, for this side, this is where the accessories that are inside that is inside the box. You can see them here. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to open the box. So unfortunately, this is already open because I had to test it out at the store before I took it out of the store so that I can see if it has a damage or something. So yeah, here we go. So we'll put this aside. So as you can see, this is the Supremo 4K. So it is already inside the waterproof casing, and this is the watch that lets you use the Supremo on the fly with the capture button, the video button, and the pairing button, wherein you can this is where you pair the watch with the Supremo 4K. So now we're going to open the box. So inside the box is the cloth that you use to clean the lens of the Supremo 4K. We have the charger with the USB cable attached to it. We have the manuals, the straps, and this is the let me see, this is the back plate. Yeah, so sorry for that. So as you can see, this is the frame, I mean the handlebar mount. Yeah, there you have it. So this is the frame. Yeah, this is the frame. And let's see, this is the replacement back door in case you damage the one that is currently installed. Yes, so this is the 360 rotating swivel arm. Next, okay, this is the clip mount, and one of the 3-way pivot arm thumb screws. Yeah, that's just one of the 3-way pivot arm. This is the J hook buckle. Yep. And let's see, there's more. Yeah, this is the 3M adhesive. Yep, the curb mount. Attached to it is a 3M adhesive tape. And a screw and an extra battery for the watch. The watch requires 2 batteries, by the way. So, oops. This is the extra Supremo 4K battery. And another swivel arm. I mean 3-way pivot arm. And another one. Some stickers and ads about Supremo t-shirts. Some extra adhesive tapes. And safety tether. So I think that's all. Oh yeah, the stickers, Supremo 4K stickers. Yeah, I think that's everything. Oh, yes, that is everything in the box. There is a memory card here because I recently bought one for myself. Yeah, and yep, that's all. So yeah, this is the 4K Supremo, and I will just create another video for the review on the quality of the video and the pictures, and I will test if it's shaky like some of the people said that it is shakier. I mean more it's shaky, compared to the GoPro. So yeah, well, that's it. Thank you.
Wakateki wo kurao!